Hi everyone, for today's video, I'll show you how to unfriend your friends on Facebook nang hindi niya nalalaman. Of course guys, may mga friend kayo na ayaw ninyo makita yung post nila or ayaw ninyong ipakita sa kanila yung mga post ninyo. Of course guys, we go to our Facebook account and go to your profile and search your friend. So pipili tayo dito kung sino yung hindi ko gaanong friend. For example, this one. For example, this one. Sorry. And then, just click the three dots and go to the black and take a break. Just click the take a break. May pagpipilian dito na sealess or limit. Just go to the limit and there's two choices: keep current privacy settings or hide your post. Just click the hide your post and save. And then go to the newsfeed. Ganun lang guys. Then i-check natin yung friends natin again. Friends pa rin natin siya pero ayun siya. Pero hindi niya alam na in-unfriend mo na siya. Ayan na siya. Eto siya. Diba? Ganun lang. Thank you.